Good day everyone, Midshipman Manahero JRF BSMRE Section Instrum, promoting local and oral history in the Lambunao. Brief history of Lambunao. This is a popular belief among the people that the origin of the name Lambunao dates back to the Spanish time. This is a generally accepted fact in this town. One day, in the year 1569, a group of Spaniards who exploited the hinterlands wanted to name place. Somewhere in the land now known as a barangay Danbanua, the natives fled upon seeing the white men. One man who was fishing in the lake was unaware of the presence of the group. A Spanish soldier approached him and attached a Malay interpret as about the name of this place. The native, believing that he was asked of what he was doing, readily answered the native dialect, Nagapanglambu sa Lambunao. Literally, it means that he was fishing in the lake by the use of hook and line. Assuming that was the correct answer, the Spaniards only remembered the two syllables, Lambu and Nao. Thus, the town was baptized with the name Lambunao. The word Lambu means to put a fish hook in the water, while Linao is a lake. Spaniards shortened it by calling this place Lambunao. Folk history states that Lambunao and Laglag Linyas belonged to one big barangay called Dalayawon that was faithfully ruled by two datus, Tumong and Lipukan. The generation that followed broke the peace as Tumakas, the son of Tumong, and Kaputi, the son of Lipukan, has tribal conflict, thereby leading to the diversion of Dalayawon. Tumakas and his tribe moved westward to establish an independent settlement in Balik Katun, present site of Barangay Danbanua, which was then separated from the Olian River by a small lake. Significant people and local heroes. The Agustinians founded this town in 1942, but forming only one parish with Kalinog. However, after 3 years, Kalinog was annexed of Pasig and Lambunao to Laglag, which was its matrix. In 1747, the two towns merged again into one parish, but in the 3 years' time they were annexed to their respective matrix for lack of religious personnel. In 1753, they were joined again until 1765, when Kalinog was annexed to Pasig and Lambunao alone continued constituting a parish. In 1879, Father Jose Lobo transferred it to where it is today, more wholesome than the former one. It is now on an extensive patwa at 90 meters high above sea level. People of Malulod, barrio of the present Lambunao, were the wealthiest and superstitious in the province of Ogtong. When General Don Severiano Manrique de Lara was focusing all his attention in Manila to defend the Achico against the Aragon Kusing and Inju, the barrio started inciting the people in the adjacent town, preaching a certain kind of Molinism. The fool's name was Tapara, and he was a woman at large. When he had a fair number of followers, he established a hierarchy. He would be the Father, another would be the God the Son, and the other would become the Holy Spirit, and a Raphael named Mary would take the role of the Blessed Virgin. Geography. Lambunao is a lakeland municipality in the coastal province of Iloilo. The municipality has a land area of 407.9 square kilometers or 157.18 square miles, which constitute 8.15% of Iloilo's total area. Its population, as determined by the 2020 census, was 81,236. This represented 3.96% of total population of Iloilo Province or 1.2% of the overall population of Western Visayas region. Based on this figure, the population density is computed at 200 inhabitants per square kilometers or 517 inhabitants per square miles. It is bounded in the north by the municipality of Calinog, in the eastern by the municipalities of Dueñas and Bututan, in the south by the municipalities of Baniway and Bajangan, on the west by a portion of the municipality of Baniway, Iloilo, and Valderrama of Antique Province. Farming is the one livelihood of Lambunaonons. Pottery making is the oldest form of tradition. Farms animals, with exception of poultry, is primary livelihood in Lambunao area. Culture. Binanog Festival. Binanog Festival highlights the Binanog dance, a courtship dance that imitates the movements of the Banog bird, hawk commonly found in Panay farmlands. Dressed in traditional male and female Panay Bukidnon attire, the presentation begins with a chant. Male dancers take the center stage and dance in leaping motions to get the attention of his female counterpart. The female dancers attract their male counterparts using their hips and graceful movements of the hands. Wearing pudong or headpiece of old coins, exposing her face, and a beaning kit or an adornment of old coins for the neck, and a red or white top with embroidered pattern and a padayong. Wrapped as skirts with a piece of cloth wrapped around the waist. The harmonious pulsing movement of both male and female dancers synchronized to the beating of the gong as each dancer matches the step of its counterpart. The dances reaches climax as the female dancer hits her male counterpart using the cloth wrapped around his thighs. Binukot, wild but pretty girls. Yes, somewhere up there a few are living at the Blue Ridge mountain range of the northwest border of this town. One's can be sojourn seems to see any one of them. They are being kept in a small hut of bamboo and governed by their mountain of from the sins of other men. They are called the Binukot of the mountain people. Binukot refers to the tradition of the families belonging to Panay Bukidnon, where parents choose the most beautiful among the children who be kept from the public eye from the day of birth until she becomes a young woman or maiden. Lambunao is also blessed with nature's aesthetic beauty. Mother Nature has a perfect graves weatherous destination in a municipality. Place that could offer tranquility and peace to veterans and tourists. Veterans have Saints Valley, Cam River, Los and Majestic Mountain, Hidden Lakes, and Thousand Waterfall. Made using the pellet variety of corn fed the old-fashioned 10-scan with nail punch holes, then combined with the young coconuts and sugar to taste. The mixture is wrapped in banana leaves that touch the top like a puts and steam for around 2 hours. The long before 1745, the early Augustinian first has already established was called be considered as the first religious chapel at Malulod, within the vicinity which is now Tampukaw, but because of the mysterious death of the parish priest, the Spanish provincial, Father Pedro Moya insists through the recommendation of the local church authorities ordered for the immediately transfer of the parish church to the immediately vicinity of Lambunao Creek, where the Spaniards had already established a settlement and called the place Lambunao. The first-class municipality of Lambunao composed of 73 barangays located in the hinterland of the town of Lambunao, and its links to known as the Land of Waterfalls. The town has documented 40 waterfalls and still counting.